Hello YouTube friends, we have the Craftsman 9-gallon shop vacuum cleaner. It's a wet and dry vac or a shop vac. 3-year limited warranty, as you can see on the box here. So 4.25 peak horsepower, so it's a decent power output, and has a 10-foot cord, so that's nice. So we're just gonna unbox it and try to see how it goes. So let's try that. Need my right hand for that. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we have some instructions for installation. And let's put that there. So this is a filter bag, as you can see, used to pick up dry debris only. So obviously not for the wet stuff. And that's our vacuum. Let's try to take out the accessories first. All right, one floor accessory here. All right, the extensions, hose extensions. We have another one. Okay. And looks like that is it for accessories. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Okay, we have it out. I see the wheels are not attached, so we're gonna go ahead and do that and get everything prepped up and test it out. I like these large on and off buttons, that's very convenient. So, where are the wheels? Oh, they're probably inside the vac. Let's take a look. Pop it open on this side. There we go. And the same thing on this side. There we go. Now we're talking. Here we go. Filter, nice and large. We got the actual hose. There we go. That's good. Good length. And the wheels. Yeah. That's it. 9 gallons. Nice. See what we have here. The rear wheel attachments. And oh, nice. More accessories. Little handle. We got our wheels. There we go. 4. All right there. Nice. Okay, so what you want to do is gather these caster feet. You have 4. And then you have the casters here. 4. Also, there's a little small baggie that comes with 2 Phillips screws. Don't lose that. That's in the package. So set that aside for now. What you want to do is take this huge dust drum, 9-gallon drum, flip it upside down, and you'll find these holes here. This is where these caster feet are supposed to go. So the first caster foot, you take it, essentially you flip it upside down, like so. And notice how it matches. So what you're gonna do is simply insert it right there. So notice the groove there. So it should fit. And it should sit fairly flush. There's a little bit of a lip, not horrible, but you can sort of rest your elbow here and push down on it. Make sure it's sturdy enough. Now, you take your caster or your wheel and open it up. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that when you insert this, make sure this ball here is all the way in and clicks in. So see right there, inserted. And then you want to make sure you put some pressure on this. See how it's not in yet? So there you go. Now it's in. So you heard that loud click, and you can see it's not coming out. So make sure you put some weight on this in order for it to fall. And notice how it spins freely. So that tells you that it's in all the way, and you repeat the process. So rinse and repeat on the other side. Same thing. Line it up. And take one of the casters. Remember, it's going to go to this hole, not this one. So insert it. Notice it still spins freely, but it falls out if you pull on it. See that? So you need to put maximum pressure on it in order for it to click in. So it's in. All right, just repeat the process for the other ones. All right, now you have your feet on. There we go. The casters are on. All good. You're gonna take the top here, put it on the top, insert it. And sort of cuts in there. There we go. Your next step, what you want to do is take your handle, put it on top here, so you can see the handle sort of fits right on top here. See that? It sort of fits perfectly there. And then you take your 2 screws that came with it, and you're gonna insert each one in here. Got them in there. So again, Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so once you get your handle assembled, test it, make sure you're good. Get your screws in, fully tightened. Alright, your next step is pretty straightforward. You're just going to take your hose and grab this end that has the little tab, and that's the end you're going to insert right in here. So notice how there's a little groove there, so that's going to actually keep that in place by clicking this little clip into it. All right. Okay, so it should be tight in there. You can test that by pulling on it a little bit. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. There you are, you got the hose connected. And you can get any one of the extenders. You don't really need one right away, but you can if you want to. So just take the wider end, stick that right on the end here, and there you go. It's in. And then choose any accessory that you want to use. Let's say you want to use this one. And there you go. Got that in. Ready to go. All you need is the power cord now. Unwind that. Take that little thing off. So you got a 2-prong system here, and fairly long cord. Make sure you untangle all this. Plug that sucker in, and ready to go. Nice. One last thing I wanted to point out is this is the actual vacuum suction side on the bottom of the drum, and the upper side here you can actually connect to that. This is the blower side. So if you want to blow something away, you hook up your connection, your hose right here. If you want to vacuum, you hook it up right there. So the way you can tell that is obviously when you turn this on, so you actually have two functions with this vacuum. Just remember, this is the suction side. The hole is actually on the bucket here, and then the blower side, if you need to blow something, is on the actual power head assembly.